like to draw your attention to a thesis which you followed. So you've always said, watch out for headwinds and tailwinds. If a sector has natural headwinds, bet on a good business, it will create wealth. If a sector has headwinds, if you bet on a business, the wealth will be destroyed. If a sector has tailwinds, bet on a good company, the wealth will be created automatically. So from a big picture standpoint, where do you see tailwinds and where do you see headwinds?
I see tailwinds for India. अब सेक्टर में बुफे है यार, बहुत डिशेज है, जो पसंद है खाओ, ज्यादा मत खा लेना, बेहद नहीं होगी.
No, the reason I'm asking you this is because in the past you've said you bought PSU stocks, you bought pharma companies, you were very bullish on defense manufacturing. So do you see this kind of a sectoral tailwind anywhere for any Indian sector?
मेरे को बैंक्स में लगता है very big tailwind for banks. Tailwind in the sense that there's going to be credit growth. You can't create these banks. And I think this problem of bad assets will now peak by March 19. And market is slowly recognizing that. I think it will be very well recognized by, and say I was very bearish on this public sector banks. But मेरे को लगता है selectively not even public sector banks are. But the problem there is we don't know what the ultimate equity will be.
You are not too surprised with the kind of wealth erosion PSU stocks have seen. It's not just PSU banks, oil companies, manufacturing companies, all PSU companies in last 2 or 3 years have destroyed a lot of shareholder value.
Well, जो गली में हम जाते नहीं उसका सोचते नहीं. हमने public sector stocks बेच दिया. I made lot of money. I mean Bharat Electronics, Bharat Atma, Shipping Corporation, lots of them. But after that I never looked at them.
What would you say is one life-changing advice you've received and you've given?
Life-changing advice: look after your health. And I think life-changing advice is life is not about regrets. Life is about learnings. We should not regret whatever happens in life has happened. We should learn from it rather than regret it. So life is about learnings, not about regrets.
I saw Sanju last week, and I guess Ranbir Kapoor has done a great job of playing Sanjay Dutt's role. So if a movie has to be made on you, which actor would you like to? Which actor should do that role?
Heroine का पूछे तो बोले यार actor का क्या बोलूं?
It's on you. So
I'll play myself. Yeah.
And who should play Mrs. Jhunjhunwala? Because every year you interview a heroine. Now you've also done audition test.
Who should play Mrs. Jhunjhunwala? The real Mrs. Jhunjhunwala तो एक ही होने वाली है. आप समझे ना? क्या मालूम कब ये सब चीजें सोचते नहीं है.
You know, there are fake accounts in name of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. There are Twitter accounts in name of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. When will the real Rakesh Jhunjhunwala go social?
Why I'm social? I use WhatsApp.
No, I'm saying social media.
See, Nikunj, I don't want to share my opinions too easily. And why is my opinion important on any and every aspect? And say I want to, rather than, I'm telling you very frankly, 2-3 reasons. Rather than seeking publicity, let us limit our exposure. And what is it new to say every day? But today, you tell me, Rakesh, I give essentially 3, 4, 5 TV interviews a year. Because every year, every time there's nothing new to say. Right? And I have, so therefore, although I'm a very opinionated person, why should I share a lot of my opinions with people and aram se, let's take life easy. Let's not get into controversies.